How to make YouTube Shorts with your smartphone in 2022. Hello guys, Ryan here and welcome back to the Veed Creators channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts with your smartphone in the quickest and easiest way possible. YouTube Shorts are this platform's answer to TikTok or Instagram Reels. They're short-form vertical videos designed to be viewed on a mobile device. You can watch Shorts on your desktop, but really, they make more sense on here. To view the main Shorts feed, open up the YouTube app on your phone and click on the Shorts icon at the bottom of the screen. And you can now scroll through videos just like this. And as you can see, it really does look just like TikTok. So you might not be surprised to hear that you can also make YouTube Shorts directly through the YouTube app. So let's go through that whole process right now. So back on your phone, you're going to want to open up the YouTube app and click on that plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now in this menu, you can select Create a Short, and this opens up the YouTube Shorts Creator, which, yep, you guessed it, looks very much like TikTok. As you can see, there's a big red record button at the bottom of the screen, but first, let's take a look at some of the other features. Over on the right hand side, you have a variety of different options in the toolbar. At the top of the list, you can swap which camera on your phone that you want to use, the front or the back. Then underneath that, you can select some different speed options for your footage. Times1 is normal speed, so the options to the left are going to make your footage slower, and the options to the right are going to make it faster. The next option in the list allows you to set a timer for your video, and there's actually two different options in this menu. You can choose to set a recording countdown timer, which is quite useful if you're setting up your camera on a tripod and then you're going to do some sort of TikTok dance or something, so it's hands-free. And just underneath, you can use this slider to choose how long you want the app to record for once the countdown ends. The next option in the list is filters. And much like Instagram, this is just going to change the look of your footage by selecting different color presets. And you can also set the strength of those presets by moving the slider along like so. The next option is the green screen effect, which is going to allow you to create a virtual backdrop for your recording. You can choose any image or video from your camera roll, and all it does is change your background depending on what you choose. And the last option, which is hidden behind this arrow here, is the flash. So it just gives you the ability to turn your camera flash on during your recording. Now, one of the other main features of the YouTube Shorts Creator is the ability to add audio to your recordings. And as you can see at the top of the screen, there's the option to add sound. Clicking on that opens up a new menu where you can browse through all sorts of different trending sounds and songs. And you can even search for something specific in the search bar at the top. When you find the sound you want to use, select it once to preview what it sounds like, and then select the blue arrow over to the right. With the slider on this next screen, you can choose which section of the song you want to use, and once you found it, press done, and now we're ready to start recording. To do that, simply hold the red button down at the bottom of the screen, and when you start recording, you'll notice that your soundtrack also starts to play out loud. You can also zoom in and out by dragging your thumb up and down on the screen. When you want to stop recording, just stop pressing down. And as you can see, the red progress bar has moved along the top of the screen to show you how much you've recorded. So if you still have time left, you can then record another clip to add to your sequence. So you can now just keep adding different clips that you want to record. And if you're not happy with a certain take and you want to get rid of it, you can just press the undo button to the left of the recording icon. And you can also use the redo option over to the right. When you finished recording, just press the tick in the bottom right, and you're now into the Shorts editor, which has some more options down at the bottom of the screen. The first option on the left lets you change your selected sound or music, and then the adjust option next to it lets you change the section of that music that you've chosen. The next option in the menu lets you add some text. So I'll just type in an example like this, and as you can see, you can change the color underneath that. Then you can also change the size of that text over to the right by moving that slider up and down. Now using the options at the top of the screen, I can change the alignment like this. And then next to that, this little A lets you change the style. And finally, that middle box also lets you change the font. And there are a few different options for this. And when you've selected done, you can then click and drag your text around the screen and place it wherever you want it to be within the frame. The next option is to open up the timeline editor, and this is going to allow you to choose when your text appears and disappears on screen. So for example, if you drag the front of the box like so, that's going to change when your text appears, and then on the other side, on the right, moving that back will change when it disappears. And the final option here is filters. So once again, you can just choose from all the colors and style presets like this. So now all I'm going to do is hit next in the top right, and we're now onto the upload details. At the top, you can give your short a title, and then underneath that, you can choose from your visibility settings. I'm just going to keep mine unlisted for now. And finally, you can select whether your content is made for kids or not. And the only thing left to select is upload short right at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've just created your first YouTube short. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.